In this class, we can discuss about direct speech and indirect speech with some examples. Previous videos, we discussed about all the rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. At the end of this video, you will be got a funny question about English. You answer it and try to get attractive prizes. Don't forget. Let's start today's class. Vimala said, I like flowers. It is simple present tense. In reporter speech, simple present tense change into simple past tense. Look at the answer. Vimala said that she liked flowers. What are the changes occur here? Vimala said same, but removed comma and also removed quotation mark. Then added that the conjunction and change pronoun. I become she and changed the tenses. These are the rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. Next example, Tom said, I am reading a story. It is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense in reporter speech change into past continuous. Tom said that he was writing a story. Next example, they said, we have completed our work. It is present perfect tense. In reporter speech, present perfect tense change into past perfect tense. They said that they had completed their work. Next example, he said, we have been discussing for 2 hours. It is present perfect continuous tense. In reporter speech, present perfect continuous tense become past perfect continuous tense. He said that they had been discussing for 2 hours. Next example, Harry said, I sent an email. It is simple past tense. Harry sent an email. It is simple past tense. Simple past tense change into past perfect tense. So Harry said that he had sent an email. Another example, she said, I was writing a letter. It is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense become past perfect continuous tense or past continuous itself. So answer, she said that she had been writing a letter, or she said that she was writing a letter. Next example, Ramesh said, I can help you. Here used can. It is modal verbs. Can, may, will, shall. So can become could in reporter speech. May become might. Shall become should. Will become would. So answer, Ramesh said that he could help me. It is the answer. Some another important tips about changing indirect speech. Suppose instead of said, there is says. Reporting verb, if the reporting verb is simple present tense, you shouldn't change the sentence. For example, Vimala says that she likes flowers. Vimala says that she likes flowers, not like flowers. You shouldn't change that. Also, reporting verb is Simple future tense. Vimala will say, I like flowers. How can I answer that? Vimala will say that she likes flowers. Shouldn't change. Another important tips. If the sentence is any universal truth or fact, that sentence you shouldn't change. For example, the teacher said, the earth is a planet. Earth always planet. It never changes. So how can change into reporter speech? The teacher said that earth is a planet. According to the rule is become was, but here you shouldn't change. The priest said God is love. How can change that? The priest said that God is love. According to the rules, God was love. But it is wrong. Because the sentence or phrase God is love is a truth. It never changes. Did you understand today's class? Then, the question. You are waiting. Actually, you are waiting for that question. That question, carefully listen. What is always in front of you, but you can be seen? Answer it, answer. Once again question. What is always in front of you, but you cannot be seen?